Hi, this is NBenefits, a tool to predict the costs and benefits of urban nature-based solutions developed by LIST for the European H2020 project Nature for Cities. You can access the web interface of the tool using your credentials, after which you are immediately directed to the simulation page. Here, you need to manually position a modeling grid that has a 10 by 10 meter cell resolution above the area of the city where you expect to implement your nature-based solution. Each cell of the grid may contain a selected tree among a set of more than 30 species. Once the grid is well aligned to the reference urban space, you can select the type of nature-based solution to implement. The tree species determines the specific biotic attributes of the nature-based solution, such as a plantation of Pinus sylvestris, for example. You can then set up the abiotic and management attributes of the nature-based solution type, among which includes the soil texture, the soil coverage, deciding whether the nature-based solution is placed on a paved site, if it will be irrigated, or if its leaf litter will be partially or totally removed. And finally, you can paint the same characteristics to define the archetypal scenario of a nature-based solution in the grid. You can also repeat the exercise for other species in order to complete your nature-based solution implementation plan. And you can even apply a discount rate in order to capture the possible economic cost variations occurring over time. The simulation of costs and benefits can then take place. A new results page will pop up after running the process, allowing you to visualize the aggregated economic costs and benefits associated with your solution. A net benefit will also be calculated out of the difference between total costs and total benefits. Also, the point in time after which benefits become higher than costs is visualized. The outputs can be further visualized in a graphical format for each ecosystem service contributing to the total benefits, both in terms of environmental and monetary impacts over time, defining the mean value, but also the upper and lower values, thus providing a range of the variability expected in outputs for real nature-based solutions. Air regulation services are mostly considered in the decision support model, and some outputs are provided as accumulated values, such as for CO2 sequestered. Since nature-based solutions are long-term interventions, NBenefits models their behavior, including growth, death, and seasonal processes such as leaf senescence, assuming an average operational life of at least 50 years, as illustrated on the graphs. The numerical results can ultimately be downloaded as a simple report, including a synthetic overview of the implementation, operational, and social costs, as well as different benefits generated by the nature-based solution. All this information can be useful to support the decision if duly incorporated as part of the design and planning documentation for urban planners and landscape practitioners, or as associated technical reports supporting these documents.